have some great memories of how the company started and my first impressions. I have a vivid memory, and I don't know exactly how old I was. Well, I guess 8 years old. And my mom and dad were designing the sign that exists today. We actually had like a piece of poster board. We had them in the living room, and the signs were laid out. In fact, I think there's a picture of it, of the different designs that we're going to go into. And that is where also the color red that exists today, after 46 years, we decided that was going to be the company color. My mom spent a lot of time, she was an artist, she spent a lot of time on the logo, which has since changed, which is the brick line, but the brick that is on our sign is actually still the brick that was designed back then when I was such a young kid. So it's kind of fun now that I'm working in the business to be a part of that. And actually we all the whole family got a vote on which one we liked the most.